everyone, this is Ridha Khan and welcome to Ridha's Kitchen. So as you know, I've got a hold of a chef and we're going to make some tasty Jeera rice. This is a great rice to have. Sometimes we get bored of our plain rice or just plain basmati rice, so why not add Jeera to it, spice it up and make it Jeera rice. And this is inspired by a lot of Asian recipes. We will give you the ingredients, the method, and I'm going to learn alongside of you together because I'm not so great myself at cooking. I'm going to learn with you and we're going to make some nice tasty dishes. So before we start, I wanted to tell you, in case you're allergic to any ingredient and you feel as if that you're not sure about a certain ingredient, please check with your GP before you start. Okay, so let's get down to it and we're going to start off with the ingredients. So make sure you've got your pen and your paper and you're ready. So our first one will be cinnamon sticks. Like, you know, we love a bit of cinnamon. We can add it to a lot of different things. I'm going to be adding it to this dish. We want one inch should be for each of them. So each of them should be 1 inch, 2 cinnamon sticks. Now we want cumin seeds, 2 teaspoons. And now ghee, 2 tablespoons. Ghee is actually very good, you know, it's going to be great for your health and it's the most organic type of oil you can get. So you can get this from Asian shops. And 2 tablespoons of that. Coriander leaves, like you know, dhania and coriander is included in almost all the dishes. 1 bunch of that. Basmati rice, 1 cup. Now, we're going to soak for half an hour. We're going to soak for a minimum of half an hour our basmati rice. We need to have green cardamoms, 2, and bay leaf, 1. Now, we've got the ingredients down. Now we're going to start off with preparing our Jeera rice. Right, so start off with the gas on low flame. A non-stick frying pan is used for this. Now we've got our ghee ready, so we get our ghee, we add it, 2 tablespoons heat and spread it. Then we add the cumin seeds and then we mix. And then we add 2 green cardamoms. Right, now we have that. We've got the 2 cinnamon sticks, we add them. Cinnamon sticks, great, it's going to give us great flavour. As you know, lots of people put it in their teas as well, in their chai, put it as a topping. Especially if you've got the taste for cinnamon, you're going to love it. And we're going to add bay leaves, 1 medium size. We're going to mix this very well. Now, after all the spice, we have to make sure it changes to a brown colour. So you're going down the right road if it changes to a brown colour. Then we add 1 cup of soaked rice and then we spread the rice and we mix it. There's a lot of mixing. Now, you have to be careful because we need to add half a cup of water for 1 cup of rice. So this is usually the golden rule when making rice. So half a cup of water for 1 cup of rice. So that's your take-home message. And then we mix this and then we place the lid and we cook till the rice is done and the coriander leaves are put on top for a special garnish. So we're done with our Jeera rice. This is a great rice to have. Sometimes we get bored of our plain rice or just plain basmati rice, so why not add Jeera to it, spice it up and make it Jeera rice. So this was really nice and easy. I learnt it, I'm sure you learnt it too. So like I'd like to remind you, this is Asian cooking powered by TV99, Ridha's Kitchen and Zaiqa World, and hope to see you again. Thank you very much. Now I'm going to quickly review the ingredients for you, and the review of the ingredients are 2 cinnamon sticks, 1 inch each, cumin seeds, 2 teaspoons, ghee, 2 tablespoons, coriander leaves, 1 bunch, basmati rice, 1 cup, soak for a minimum of half an hour, green cardamoms, 2, bay leaf, 1.